Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying on a U-part wig, which is my first ever that was sent to me by a company. So this is the company right here, CHANTICHE Wig. Okay, CHANTICHE lace wig, and they sent me a U-part wig which is super thick and full. I actually tried filming this before for you guys, but it wasn't working out because my hair was freshly washed and it was like fresh, and the wig was just slipping off of my head. So I wasn't trying to like do the whole process of braiding and all of that stuff. So we're gonna try again today. Okay, my hair is not as fresh, and it's going to be easier for me to work with. So we'll try it today, but I wanted to show you guys what you get in the box. I already took the wig out and everything. So you get a wig cap. With most wigs you do get one when you order one, and then they sent like these really cute lashes. Look at these, you guys. These are actually like wearable. Okay, these are good. So thank you for those lashes. Okay, they're like really pretty mink lashes. I think they're mink, but they have like a slight shine to them, so they could be synthetic, but who knows, they look pretty. So this is the U-part unit that they sent me. I know it looks crazy right now because I brushed through it. It is a body wave texture. It's 22 inches. I don't know if you could see that, but it's 22 inches long. It is a 1B color, 250% density. Okay, so it comes with a tag like that on the unit, and this is how the inside looks. So you have clips around the U-part area. So this is the part that you will clip down, and then your hair is in between that open space right there. And then you have a comb in the back of the neck. You also have two combs on the sides, and you get straps in the unit to adjust it if it's too loose. So this is a side part U-part wig. I know that sounds confusing, but that's what it is. So if you look at it, the side part, so you see this would be the center of the wig cap, but it's on the side. So this is a side part U-part wig. So that's what we're gonna do today, and install it and make it look like I care about life with my hair. I'm just tired, you guys, and if you follow me on my, I would call it my life Instagram or my life page, where I just do what I do regularly, you'll see why I look like this. All right, I'm just a regular person, okay? Just a regular person that likes to make YouTube videos and look cute once in a while for you guys and show you how I make myself look cute. All right, so I'm gonna brush through it, and look at this, you guys, so pretty. I think this will be great for vacation time, because if you go somewhere hot and you need to take this off and just take a minute and you know, breathe, you could take it off instead of like gluing down a whole thick unit to your head. So if you go like on vacation or something and it's nighttime and it's cool, you could just pop this on, you know what I mean? I think that will be helpful. So I'm gonna get my hair started for this. So it is a side part, so we're gonna have to take out this section right here and leave that out, and then the rest I'm just gonna tie down. So I'm just gonna part right here and just take like a good section for this unit, so I have enough hair out. Okay, the last time I did this, my hair was like just too clean. Like I'm not saying it's dirty, but I got caught in the rain, so it's like a little bit frizzy, and you know, it's a mess. So I'm just gonna hold this section like this. So that's where my leave out. It's the first time I think I've ever said leave out on my channel, but this is where my leave out's gonna be. Okay. All right, so we got this section ready. Yeah, my hair has been going through like some stuff. You know, I was on the keto diet for a while. I did lose 10 pounds on it, but then I noticed like my hair started coming out like a lot more than usual. I already have thyroid problems, so I don't need more hair loss problems because of, you know, some diet or whatever. So 2 bobby pins in there to hold it down so it's flat. Okay, so as far as I can get it. All right, so I'm gonna adjust these straps. I'm gonna put it on the last one. Adjust the straps. And then I'm gonna put this baby on. Oh, So I've never gotten a U-part wig for review before. I believe I had a company contact me once, but I don't know. I don't think that went through or anything. So this will be my first one ever. So I'm going to put that on the side and put the wig in the back, put the combs in. Okay. Whew. Yeah, it's a lot of hair, you guys. Like, it's a lot. Ooh. Okay. All right. So now I can adjust. Okay. Ah. All right. All right, so it's on. I think I want to bring this one to the front a bit more. Let me see if I can. All right. All right. So it's on. Look at that, you guys. It's not really going anywhere. So I do like how secure that feels. So this is how it looks close up. Okay, and you could take this part of your hair out if you want to, but I'm not going to. Just to make it a little bit easier for myself. So I'm gonna take my hair out and part that where I would naturally part right here. Okay. And then just comb it into the wig. So this is how it looks. Like you can see the difference between my hair, it's more of a straight, and then this hair has like a slight wave in it. So I'm gonna do some wand curls in it to kind of blend it in together. So I'm gonna mix my hair with the wig hair and do some wand curls together. Sorry about the background noise, you guys. The kids are making brownies. All right, if you're curious about this curling one, I got this off of eBay about 6-7 years ago. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Aren't these pretty, you guys? Oh my gosh, they're cute. They don't want these so tight, but I like them. They're cute. Look. Fancy, fancy. They're cute. Let me see if I could do some bigger ones. Yeah, you see, this is more of the texture of the hair. So it puts like a slight wave in my hair to kind of make that blend in together with the hair texture. You guys could see my red is peeking through. Well, remnants, it's starting to fade. The black box dye is starting to fade. So I'm going to end up doing a rinse with my hair because I don't want to use another box dye. One thing I do love about this curling iron, it curls so quickly. Oh my goodness. Quickly, like it's almost instant. The brand is ISO. If you guys are curious, it's really hard to find. I don't even think they make these anymore. I tried looking on eBay to see if I can get another one for a backup, but it's been so long with this one. I think it's just gonna last. Like I have no issues with it. Look how shiny those curls are. So pretty. So I'm mixing my hair and the hair from the U-part wig together to blend it, you know, so it looks natural. It looks like it's all mine. That's the goal. over here. Take some of that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wand curl all of the hair. I'm gonna put curls towards the end of the hair. You know what I mean? To give it like a beachy mixture look. You know what I mean? So it's like waves and curls, a very natural beachy look. That's what I want to do. My little brown highlight right there. All right. Let me see if I need to blend any more of my hair. Okay, right here. I'm just gonna Alright, so I'm gonna curl this section. This is more of a mix of my hair and the wig hair. And this is human hair. If you guys are curious, it's 100% human hair. Very long and thick, so I do love that about this unit. You see what I mean? I'm going for a very beachy look. Let me zoom out. I can't zoom out anymore. Oh, that sucks. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just curling the ends. I love my new space. I like this area more for like doing skincare type stuff. I did film a little skincare Instagram video over here. I can't wait to edit it. It looks so, I don't know, just natural and normal and not doing too much. I think this looks so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. So this is the final look. If you guys are interested in trying out this U-part wig, which I highly recommend you trying, since it's so thick, it's long, the hair feels really good, it's really pretty. Okay, it's really pretty. I love the natural waves in it. So they're calling it a body wave texture. Really do like this a lot. This will come in handy, especially for those, you know, cool summer nights, and because sometimes summer days during the day I feel like shaving all my hair off. For some of you ladies who wear wigs year round, I don't know how you do it. You deserve an award. I cannot. I don't even want my hair on a hot summer day. But for those nice cool summer nights, you know, when it's like 72, you know, around there 75, I'm gonna pop this on and get on with my life. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful to you. It's really easy to install this. I didn't really have any issues with it. It's really secure. To me, it's like a giant clip-in. That's what it feels like a giant clip-in. And I only feel it right here, but there's no like tension or pulling or anything like that, because it does have the two clips right here, the two wig combs right here, and then one in the back securing everything. So it doesn't feel like, you know, I have all this weight pulling me down. I'm pretty sure it would probably feel a little bit better if I had two braids right there, but I feel like the braids would make it look bumpy. So just to see how flat it is, this is how it looks once you hold it down. I think that looks really nice and flat and smooth if you decide to do like a low ponytail or something, or half up half down style with the unit. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think. And if you missed any of my giveaway, I apologize. My giveaways now are secret, so you pretty much have to watch the videos to know that there's a giveaway in there. All right, and congrats to my last winner. Hopefully she sees this. I put your name in the comment section of that video where I had my recent giveaway. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.